White ink is prone to settling. And during the use of a UV DTF printer, issues such as thin white ink or clogged nozzles may occur. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Check the volume of white ink. Ensure it remains above the 1/3 mark. Otherwise, insufficient white ink may cause printing problems. Clean the print heads via the software and print a nozzle test page to inspect the print head status. If the test page still shows white broken lines, draw 3 ml of ink from the ink cartridge and 5 ml of ink from the waste ink tube. Use the flushing function for the print heads in the software, then print another test page to recheck the print head status. If broken lines persist, repeat the cleaning and ink extraction process 2 to 3 times. If the issue remains unresolved, you will need to replace the print head with a new one. Do not attempt to unclog the printhead using a syringe, as improper handling can damage both the printhead and the motherboard.